I'm Kate O'Donnell with Mindful Learning Practices. Today we are going to do a rapid review on human reproduction and development using digital flashcards. If you would like to purchase a printable set of the flashcards, you can do so at mindfullearningpractices.com. Now, join me in starting with a deep breath and our intention statement. My intention for this practice session is to create a stronger neural network related to human reproduction and development so that I can easily access the information when I need it. I know that I am an important part of the universe. My worth is not measured by how I perform on a test or the grade I get in a class. I am loved unconditionally. I work hard because I find joy in learning, and I know that I can accomplish anything with effort. My intention for this practice session is to create a stronger neural network related to human reproduction and development so that I can easily access the information when I need it. Let's get started. What is fertilization? Fertilization is when male and female sex cells unite. What is a zygote? A zygote is the cell that is created when a male sex cell and a female sex cell unite. It has a complete set of chromosomes. How are sex cells different from other cells? Each sex cell only has half a set of chromosomes. What are the parts of the male reproductive system? Penis, scrotum, testes, and semen. What is the function of the urethra in males? Semen and urine exit the body via the urethra. What is the function of the scrotum? The scrotum holds and protects the testes. What is the function of the testes? The testes produce sperm and testosterone. What is the name of the male sex cell? Sperm. What is semen? Semen is a combination of sperm and seminal fluid that helps the sperm move. What are the parts of the female reproductive system? Ovaries, fallopian tubes, eggs, uterus, and vagina. What is the function of ovaries? Ovaries produce eggs, progesterone, and estrogen. What is the function of the fallopian tubes? The fallopian tubes connect the ovaries to the uterus. Once a month, a mature egg moves through the fallopian tube to the uterus for fertilization. How many eggs are females born with? 1 to 2 million. What is ovulation? Ovulation is when a mature egg is released by an ovary and travels through a fallopian tube to the uterus. What is the function of the uterus? The uterus is a hollow organ where a fertilized egg can develop into a fetus. What is the function of the vagina? Sperm enters the uterus through the vagina and a baby exits the uterus through the vagina. What is the menstrual cycle? The menstrual cycle is a monthly hormonal cycle that prepares the uterus to carry a baby. What is menstruation? If a fertilized egg does not implant in the lining of the uterus sheds the lining to prepare for a new fertilized egg in the process of menstruation. How many chromosomes do sperm and egg cells have? 23. How many chromosomes do body cells have? 46. What are fraternal twins? Fraternal twins are twins resulting from two eggs being fertilized by different sperm at the same time. What are identical twins? Identical twins are twins resulting from a single egg and sperm. The zygote splits into two and creates two genetically identical babies. What is an embryo? An embryo is a zygote attached to the uterus. A developing baby is an embryo for about the first 2 months of pregnancy. What is a fetus? A fetus is a baby developing within the mother's uterus between 2 months and birth. About how long does it take for a human baby to develop within the mother's uterus? 9 months. What is the neonatal period? The neonatal period is the first 4 weeks after birth. The baby's body is adapting to life outside of the uterus. What is infancy? Infancy is about the first year of life when babies learn to crawl, stand, and walk. What is childhood? Childhood is the time between infancy and puberty when children learn how to speak and take care of themselves. What is adolescence? Adolescence starts at puberty. Adolescents grow taller and stronger and develop secondary sex characteristics. What is adulthood? Adulthood begins after adolescence. During adulthood, bones stop growing, muscles and bones get weaker, and the skin wrinkles. What is the function of the head of a sperm cell? The head of a sperm cell holds the genetic information. What is the function of the tail of a sperm cell? The tail of the sperm cell allows the cell to move. Closing meditation. Thank you for this opportunity to grow as a learner. I know that taking time to practice remembering will strengthen my neural networks and help me remember when I need to. I know that I am an important part of the universe. My worth is not measured by how I perform on a test or the grade I get in a class. I am loved unconditionally. I work hard because I find joy in learning, and I know that I can accomplish anything with effort. After this practice session, I am ready to move on to the next part of my day, focusing on kindness, acceptance, and compassion for others. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.